If you are using Android phone and you are running out of storage, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see 5 quick tips on how you can free up storage space on your Android phone right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the fifth one I would like to show you here, as far as this top 5 way to free up space on your Android phone is concerned. So the fifth one is to go to your phone master. Then on getting to your phone master, click on storage clean. Then it's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. And on getting to here, next thing you need to do is to click on turn on now. So by turning on all these 3 buttons, it simply means that auto clean is enabled and app cache is enabled, then uninstall residual file is enabled. By turning on these 3 things, you are saving a lot of storage on your Android phone. This is the 5th one I would like to show you. Let's take a look at the 4th one on how you can free up storage space on your Android phone. So I'm going to assist from here. So the very 4th one I want to show you here is you have to go to your Play Store. And get into your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on general. And you have to simply scroll down right here, and then right here, make sure you click on automatically anchor app. Make sure you turn on this button here. So app you use regularly will be anchored when storage run very low. So make sure you turn on this particular button right here. So this is the 4th one I want to show you. Let's take a look at the 3rd one on how you can simply free up storage on your Android phone. I'm going to assist from my Play Store right here. Then the 3rd one I want to show you here right here is that you need to make sure you head over to the apps you always use on your Android phone. So for instance, if you are the type that browse a lot on your Android phone, so consider to visit your Chrome browser or whatever type of browser you are using. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use my Chrome browser right here. So all we want to do is to simply click and hold down, and then we make sure we click on app info. It's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to go to storage and cache. Then right here, what we need to do, you can see as at the time of making this video, I have 287 megabytes in cache file. What we need to do is to simply click on clear cache. We have saved a lot. So you can go on and all and check on cache file. Make sure you delete them all on all your apps on your Android phone. So this is the 3rd one I want to show you right here. Let's take a look at the 2nd one I want to show you on how to simply free up storage space on your Android phone. So the very 2nd one right here, what you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. Then on getting to your phone setting, make sure you click on search right here. Have you click on search, type in Bluetooth. Then make sure you click on Bluetooth right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to receive file. So right here, whatever junk file you have right here, make sure you delete them all. These are all things that constitute more storage space on your Android phone. All the receive file from Bluetooth, make sure you delete them and have empty right here. Lastly, let's take a look at the 1st one on how you can simply free up storage space on your Android phone. So the very 1st one I want to show you here is to head over back to your Play Store. I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. I'm getting to your Play Store. Go back to your profile icon. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Manage Apps and Device. Next thing you need to do is to click on Manage. The next thing you need to do is to click on this device. The next thing you need to do is to click on Not Installed. Here you have all apps you have deleted from your Android phone, but you still have their system file stored on your Android phone, and as a result of that, they are consume a lot of memory space on your Android phone. What you need to do is to simply delete them from here and get rid of system file. And for you to do that, click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on this trash bin icon. Then the next thing you need to do, you can see remove selected apps. Remove apps won't appear here, but can be installed again from Play Store. Click on remove. So you have saved a lot of space right here. You can remove as many as possible right here in order to save a lot of space on your Android phone. These are top 5 ways to remove unwanted storage in order to free up space on your Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.